When is the absolute best time of year to buy airline tickets, and how many days should you actually book your tickets ahead of time? Well, I'm going to answer that question in this video. So please stay to the end so you can find out all the improper information about buying airline tickets. Now, this is for domestic flights. Now, according to Cheapo Air, it looks like that Tuesdays and Wednesdays are the best time to fly out. Okay, absolutely, the midweek. So that midweek fare seems to be the best. Now, when we talk about the golden rule of basically 42, now you really do want to book your flights 42 days on average in advance, but there is that little golden triangle, and you'd be surprised that it's not necessarily like a year in advance. All right, it's more like, depending on when it is, and it's between basically 74 days and 21 days in advance. So you can go longer and they can actually offer a very reasonable price. Now you can put some alerts, and there are some sites that you can do that I will leave links in the video below. So what about, first dib flying? Okay, well, first dibs means that you just want to be able to sit in the seat and probably get a fare, but you're going to be paying on average of 36% more. Now, the peace of mind flexibility finding fare is really after 75 days to 205 days. And you might get somewhat of a low price, but you're still going to get an average of about 15 to 20% higher than if you wait until that golden zone. And that golden zone is really the prime booking window. And that's 21 days to 74 days, where you will find the lowest price. As always, I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day, and I hope you found this video useful. And please consider liking and sharing and possibly subscribing.